This is the Mitsubishi Fuso FE130 box truck. It has the step saver side door, rear swing doors. It's in real nice shape. Here's the inside of the box. The rear tires are like new, real good tread on them. Here's the back of the truck. Driver's side tires are also like new. The box is pretty straight. Here's the driver's side. The cab's also in good condition. The front tires are probably at 50% maybe. This other front tire is like new. Inside of the cab's nice. No rips in the seats. No check engine lights on. That's just the brake light for the parking brake. Engine sounds good. No misfire.